In this video, I'm going to show the demo of this application unique numbering. This application will assign unique number to the picked panels in the same order. The reason for developing this application is it is a common practice in the Precast projects that we don't assign the same number to identical panels. Before I start this application, what most of the detailers they do, they open the properties and force the numbering system, just typing this value in minus. That means it will force number 1 to this panel, and the next panel it will be -2, -3, -4. Chances are very high you might assign the same number to different panels, and it is also a time consuming process. You can also use user-defined attribute, but all these are very time consuming. Chances are very high that you might commit some mistake, but this application will make your job simple and easier. Let me set the prefix as PC and change the switch to select assemblies. Click assign and pick the panels one by one. Once you finish, press the middle mouse. You can see the application has given the number in the same sequence. Let me open the user-defined attributes and show you. It actually passes the value to this user-defined attribute, so if something is not correct, it will be easy for you to change. You don't have to create this user-defined attributes because the objects.inp file will also be included in the installation package. Let me close it and continue with the remaining panels. So I'll start with 8. Click assign and pick these panels. Last number is 14, so I'll start with 15. When the system performs numbering, it's going to consider these user-defined attributes. Let me show you the advanced options. Now you can see this cast unit position number format string. The value has been set, prefix assembly and start number. In the interest of the time, I have already assigned the numbers to all these panels. Let me perform numbering. Now I'm going to display the cast unit position number to cross check the numbers are assigned properly. Let me just go to this elevation view. So here you can see the numbers are in proper sequence. You can also create a report. Unique numbering. This report will also be included in the installation package. Here you can see the numbers are in proper sequence. All the panels are properly numbered, and each panel has its own number. If you just wanted to delete this user-defined attributes, you don't have to do it one by one. You also have an option in the application. You can see this delete. So before I do that, let me just show you. So this is number 1. So now I'm selecting this panel and then hit delete. Now again, I'm going to run this. You can see these fields are blank. So you can run this delete command for the selected objects. This application will definitely be a huge time saver. If you are interested, feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you for watching this video.